Hello my crochet friends, this is Lady Jenna and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be looking at the foundation double crochet. This means that you're going to create your foundation chain plus the double crochet at the same time. Now this is not something that I normally use, but it's useful when you do garments because it does provide a little bit more give to the foundation chain, because sometimes the foundation chain can actually be a little bit tighter depending on how your tension is or how you crochet. So this allows you to provide a little bit more flexibility. Let me show you what I mean. But this is not my favorite to do, just to let you know. Today I'm going to be using a 4mm crochet hook and a yarn medium weight number 4. You're going to start with your slip knot and you're going to do 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Now normally I work on the back bump, but this time you're going to work on the back bump but also on the side loop plus back bump. So you're going to yarn over and you're going to go to the 3rd chain, 3rd loop and back bump from hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through. Now you're going to yarn over and pull through just 1 loop. This creates the chain, the foundation chain, your first one, and then you're going to yarn over, pull through 2 loops to start your double crochet, yarn over, pull through 2 loops to finish your double crochet. Now remember, this is where we did our first foundation chain, so this is where we're going to go next. You're going to yarn over into the chain you created, yarn over, pull through. Now you need to create another chain, yarn over, pull through, then you do your double crochet, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Again, yarn over into the chain you just created, yarn over, pull through. Now we need to create your 3rd chain, yarn over, pull through, then you do your double crochet, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over into the 3rd chain, yarn over, pull through. Now do your chain, yarn over, pull through to create that foundation chain, and then you do your double crochet, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and you continue like this as many chains as you need. Oops. Okay, so it's starting to take shape. Could you just continue? So this is, look how this is your foundation chain right here, and this is your double crochet. Let's do a few more. Yarn over into the last foundation chain you just did. Don't forget to grab both loops. Sometimes it can be a little bit harder, but don't forget to grab both. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 1 loop to create your chain, and then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops, which does your double crochet. Yarn over into the chain, yarn over, pull through. Now you need to create that chain, yarn over, pull through 1 loop. Now your double crochet, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And again, you just continue as long as you want. Once you have a whole set completed, this is what it does, and look how stretchy it is. The foundation is stretchy. It's as stretchy as the double crochet, which makes it better for garments. I hope that you learned something about this. I hope they enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have yourself a great day. Take care. See you in the next video.